Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking sambal chili, squid or sotong. So let's start cooking. Heat up a pan, put in some oil. We are going to stir fry the cuttlefish with the chili that we made just now. Swirl the oil around a little bit. 1 medium-sized red onion sliced thinly like this. Soften them up a little bit, get the fragrance out. And depending on how spicy you want it to be, you can put in more chili paste or lesser chili paste, it's really up to you. So once the onion have softened a little bit, we're going to put in the okra or lady's finger. 5 pieces of lady's finger sliced like this, just put them in. We're adding the chili paste. Now I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of the chili paste. This will be good enough for my family. Mix them up well. I'm going to add in the cuttlefish now. 230 grams of calamaris. Just put them in. These cook pretty fast. If you cook them for too long, then they will be too tough, which is not nice. So just stir fry them around for approximately like maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes around there. Once they cur up, it will be good to go. If you like your dish to be a little bit sourish, you can actually mix some tamarind water and add them in. Then it will taste something like asam pedas and stuff like that. So this chili is very versatile. You can cook most of the spicy dishes with this chili. Okay, if you like something dry like this, then this will be great too. When the calamaris are totally white and not just opaque, it will be done. So just stir them around a little bit. Now I like to have a little bit of sauce. I'm just going to add in maybe 1 tablespoon of water. Right. Okay, we are almost done. Looks so good. Fantastic with rice. Okay, so once this is done like this, as you can see, most of my squid has already cut up very nicely like this. Okay, it's time to serve the dish. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our sambal chili, squid or sotong. I hope you enjoyed our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.